wow, everyone really expects me to be cheesy. You know, stuff like, I challenge you today, or we're on the roller coaster of life. But then I realized that really, 30 years from now, how many of you will actually remember this grad speech? But hopefully, all of us will remember the good times we've had here at PCA. I hope 30 years from now, we can look back and remember those many games of Truth or Dare, or at Ottawa, when practically the whole grade went back to Tucker's Marketplace after watching that crazy magician. We'll think of caterpillar season and everything that came with it. And we'll remember all those days of last period French class where everything funny or exciting always happened. Especially that day we read about that La Pétanque game of pool. Maybe we'll even miss that astronaut that we've all gotten used to by now. We'll think of the Grade 8 Chapel this year, where we had the chance to lead the school in worship and show that even though we're young, we have just as much to offer. We'll look back and remember the teachers who cared so much that they were interested in our lives, not only academically, but spiritually as well. We'll remember our parents who made sacrifices for us over and over and over again. To the parents and teachers, thank you so much. We couldn't have made it through without your love and support, and we'll remember our friends. The friends who were always there for us, who had our backs no matter what, and supported us through everything. The truth is, even though we all whine about PCA every now and then, we couldn't imagine being anywhere else. I have a feeling that deep down, even Josh Hand secretly loves this school. For a lot of us, even though we may not admit it, PCA is our second home. Many of us have known each other since kindergarten. We've grown up together. We've gone from tag at recess to going to Tim Hortons after school together. And those newer to the school have quickly become just as much a part of 8B. When we found out that the school was going to have to move, everyone was shocked. We always took for granted that we would graduate from the school together, the class that we are now. We never expected something like this to happen. Now all of us face huge changes. Many of us will be going to new schools, will have to make new friends, get used to a totally different environment. We wonder if we'll be able to fit in, whether we'll be able to adjust. And for those of us who aren't leaving, we might feel left behind. We'll miss Samantha's honest opinion. We'll miss Josh John's stories, Jamie and her horses. We'll miss Ben and all the stuff he taught us about eternal investment. Even though we don't always get the chance to spend time with everyone, all of us know that our class will have our backs no matter what. Basically, it just won't be the same without every single person in this class. It's something that even our teachers pointed out. If one of us falls, everyone else is right there to give support. Like that time when Ben was trying to get a shoe from the Ottawa River. It's hard thinking about how different things will be soon, how much things will change. Change is uncomfortable, scary, forces you to go out of your comfort zone and adjust. For some of us, it'll be really hard leaving the security we have here at PCA behind. And for some of us, it'll just be as hard watching our friends go. But change is bound to happen in life, and all we can really do is give everything to God and trust Him with the school and our futures. One of the very first things Mrs. Lindstrom talked to us about at this year Bible class is that God has a plan for each of our lives. As we begin the next stage of life, we need to keep God at the center of it all. He's gotten us this far, and He's got so much more in store for us. Change is hard, but it can also bring some new and exciting things. I say we embrace whatever big change is coming up, even if it may be hard. There's this quote that says that all the darkness in the world can't put out the flame of one small candle. After all the laughs and the tears, we're finally graduating. There will be tough times, challenges, even more changes ahead, but we're not afraid. We'll be ready. Thank you.